Hey, this is Steven with WTL Electric. Just going to explain to you a little bit about fire, smoke alarms, and carbon monoxide combination, smoke and carbon monoxide. These are going to be in hallways near your bedrooms outside, and inside you will have smoke alarms. So they're good for generally 10 years. You have to replace them after 10 years. So today what we did was we just replaced the old ones and we hardwired new ones in there. And this one is good from October 2021 to October 2031. Thanks.